Hi guys, welcome back to Calcfly videos. In this video series, as you know that we're doing everyday integral. So when I look at this integral, what I see is e to the power of x term happening on both top and the bottom. And also I feel like kind of not knowing what to do in this case, like what method should I apply. But let's get started. Let's try to apply substitution method and then try to do some algebraic manipulation to simplify things. Alright, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to set square root of e to the power of x minus 1 equal to u. I'm going to do this substitution. And let's differentiate both sides. We get du is going to be equal to, so e to the power of x divided by 2 times square root of e to the power of x minus 1. And then let's try to solve this expression for, also dx right here. So let's try to solve this expression for dx. Because we're doing, like we're going to change things around. So dx is going to be equal to 2 times square root of e to the power of x minus 1 divided by e to the power of x du. Okay. Then let's try to put all these things into the original integral. So the original integral is going to become e to the power of x times 4 square root of e to the power of x minus 1. I'm going to switch it with the u. Alright, divided by e to the power of x plus 3 times for dx. I'm going to switch it with this expression, as you can see. So 2 times e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root over e to the power of x times du. So as you can see that we can simplify this e to the power of x's right here. Okay. And also since e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root is equal to u. So let's try to square both sides. So we get e to the power of x minus 1 will be equal to u squared. And if I try to isolate e to the power of x, it's going to be equal to u squared plus 1. So I'm going to represent everything that I like, every e to the power of x with u squared plus 1. So let's do it. Indefinite integral u times, and also for e to the power of x minus 1, I'm going to put u again right here. So it's going to become 2 times u over, for the bottom, for e to the power of x, I'm going to put u squared plus 1. So u squared plus 1, and there's also another 3 plus 3 du. So that's going to be equal to 2u squared over u squared plus 4 d. So finally, I have managed to reduce this entire original integral into the expression involving only u term. So now let's try to put these two out front. So 2 times integral u squared over u squared plus 4 du. Okay, so let's think about what we can do about this. U squared divided by u squared plus 4. So basically, so when I have this expression, it reminds me, arctangent. Okay, arctangent something. Okay, but in order to apply that, we don't need this u squared on top. So let me clean up the board really quick. So right here. Okay, so what if I do this? 2 times u squared plus 4 minus 4 divided by u squared plus 4 du. And if I try to decompose this integral, or like break it into two parts, so we get 2 times u squared plus 4 over u squared plus 4 minus, so these two right here, minus integral, actually this is 4, so minus 4 over u squared plus 4. They can both have du. Okay, so this is going to be apparently be 1. So when you take the integral of it, you get just u, so 2 u minus, and this is going to be equal to 4 times integral du over u squared plus 4. So u squared plus 4. Okay, and then 2 times u minus, it's going to be equal to 4 times arctangent u divided by 2 plus c. So now it's time to switch all the terms with u into, like with, remember that we said u was equal to e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root, so it's going to be equal to, let me use, okay, and then that's going to be equal to, so my final answer is going to be equal to 2 times e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root minus 4 times arctangent e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root divided by 2 and plus c. So this is going to be our final answer. So for the solution of this problem, we try to do u substitution. So we set e to the power of x minus 1 under the square root equal to u. And also we try to do some algebraic manipulation to create stuff to simplify them. And then we ended up with this expression, as you can see. So, alright. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.